Okay, so this is it, y'all. The dyes are stabilized. The rug is ready to be cleaned now. If you follow the channel, you're familiar with this part. This is just the basic process. Now that the rug is in a safe position, we're starting the submersion cleaning. So, I've already applied the shampoo. I'm just using my fine bristle brush head to scrub that in real good, making sure the deodorizing shampoo penetrates that boundary layer. We actually have a new article about that on our site as well. I'll link that in the description. It's just an article about why these rugs need submersion cleaning to penetrate what's called the boundary layer. So be sure to check that out as well. It's good information for both rug cleaners and even just rug owners who want the best rug cleaning. So we'll do a quick rinse just to knock that out, get as much of that out as possible. This entire process gets repeated several times, so just kind of knocking what we can out and then we'll continue. Grabbing the squeegee here and got a little squeegee action, just extracting as much from the rug as I can. Normally, the procedure is to repeat this entire process until the water runs completely clear. But because this is one of those bleeders that is seriously, heavily bleeding, it will most likely still bleed through the entire cleaning. So you'll see that green water from start to finish. Luckily, we didn't have to dry this one in a diaper. But sometimes when they bleed through the entire cleaning like that, we do have to dry them a certain way to allow the bleeding while they dry. That's a whole nother video I'll try to make in the future. But anyways, okay, now it's time to flip the 100-pound soaking wet rug over, which is actually pretty easy now that we have a technique down. So as you can see, I'm just turning it on its backside and we'll be repeating the process. Now, like I said, we repeat the process several times, especially in this situation with all these dyes and everything. There's also a pet urine problem, so we definitely want to make sure this rug is ran plenty of times. We want it to run as clear as possible. We did do it, I'd say 2 or 3 more times off camera as well. You really have to get it right the first time when you're dealing with these type of dye issues. Most problems can be fixed, but it's best to not even take a chance in my opinion. So I'm just always super careful with every rug that I touch. I've applied some fringe cleaner. I'm just scrubbing that into the fringes, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply more shampoo and do it all over again. So like I said, and yes, so that's pretty much it, y'all. After I finish the submersion cleaning, I'll extract all the water out and show you the final product. So be sure to stay tuned to see how it came out. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe because we have many more planned. So until next time, you guys.